Chicago, nigga.
Tried calling y'all by name, but shit, it wasn't.
What you say about me?
Nothing, man. Just talking shit.
You my name. In the street? My name is my name!
YouTube, what's going on? I don't know when this came, man. I just walked to the house. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. I don't know if it came Friday, Saturday, who knows. But we got another package, man. Yes, sir. We open this up. All right, YouTube. I forgot the name of the box. Well, I can't pronounce it, rather. But I'm going to put it's right here on the right side. That's what it is. Y'all can see. Ports. Port. It's bigger than that goddamn, that Qbomb. That Qbomb just shaking apart on me, man. Shaking all apart on me. So hopefully it's bigger, deeper. It'll be hitting. But I'm looking for a different kind of sound, so hopefully this give it to me. I don't know if I'm about to put it in there. Like I said, it's like one, damn it. I don't know what fucking time it is. It's late, know that. So, and that motherfucker heavy as hell. Get from my house to this garage. I wish I was here. Whoever delivered, they would have put that motherfucker up in here. But shit, them other 15 still sitting right there. Got these. So yeah. Shit, y'all probably see it on a short before this is too hot. I don't feel like going to get the fan. I'm mad I took it out of here. But yeah. Alright, YouTube. Alright, YouTube. I'm not gonna hook the speakers. I just got them laying in there. But I ain't gonna bolt them down or nothing till tomorrow. It's too hot in here. I don't feel like going to get the fan and coming back. And like I said, it's late. As y'all can see how big that box is, the new box, compared to this raggedy motherfucker. And beat this motherfucker to death. Look at that shit. It's cracked in there somewhere. I mean, I can see it. I don't know if y'all can see it though. But yeah. So we should. Bigger, wider. So yeah, we should be beating harder than what we was. Alright, YouTube.